What? That big gun is catastrophic. It's moving faster than predicted. Extreme cold.
Well, now, that's a proper storm.
Alert all units. Condition extreme blizzard activated.
Control, come in! We're losing power out here! This isn't just turbulence! Something's wrong with the bridge!
Bridge sensors indicate catastrophic failure imminent.
Please, someone help me find my child!
Stay calm, everyone! We need to move quickly!
Look, the floor structure is compromised right here. Lily! Lily! Where are you?
Everyone, stay calm! We're trapped, but we're stable! Help is coming!
Initial response team, prioritize Gemini Bridge. We have a dangling train.
The suspension! It's holding by a thread! This can't last!
A cruel night, indeed. Let's hope the morning brings fortitude.
We need a path across those remaining cables. It's the only way. Oh, my sweet Lily. Mama's here. You're safe.
We stay together. Body heat is our best friend right now. Conserve energy.
Our priority is stabilization. If that car shifts, it's over.
The stress points. If we can reinforce the rear axle.
Any word? Anything?
The suspension is failing at the rear axle. We need to redistribute the weight inside. Everyone, carefully to the front. Single file. Keep your balance.
Double check those anchor points. We get one shot at this.
Stay alert, team! The structure is unstable. We need to reach that car before the next gust hits.
Slowly! Don't rush it! We need steady pressure!
Visibility 0. Wind shear at 50 knots. Stay tethered, team.
It's holding. For now.
Good work, son. Very good work.
Secure!
Phase 2 activated. Prepare the heavy lines for traverse. We're going in.
Lily! see that? Someone's coming.
Good. It's about time. We've weathered worse.
They'll need a way to secure us before they can pull. Attack!
Ah!
They're here. We're not alone.
Secure the train. Commence passenger extraction, one by one.
It's cold, my love, but we're going home.
One at a time, slow and steady. We've got you.
Careful, lad. This old bone needs a steady hand. Got you, sir. We're almost there.
Excellent. But no one is safe until they're warm, fed, and accounted for.
It's a miracle this held. Well, old friend, you held on for them.
We made it, Lily! We made it! Every soul accounted for. Well done, team. Absolutely well done.
Thank you, conductor. Your calm saved lives.
And your brain saved us all, son. Go get warm.
The city sleeps, but it will awaken, stronger as we always do.